Join me as I take on the challenge of finding and identifying as many celestial objects as I can using this amazing 70mm telescope. In this video, you'll discover how a 70mm telescope can transform your stargazing experience and open up a world of celestial wonders. Many people feel overwhelmed by the night sky and think stargazing requires expensive equipment or expert knowledge. The sheer number of stars and constellations can be daunting, making it difficult to know where to begin. People often assume that to truly appreciate the night sky, they need to invest in high-end telescopes or have a deep understanding of astronomy. This perception can be intimidating, causing many to miss out on the incredible experiences that stargazing has to offer. The night sky is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the right equipment can make all the difference in exploring these wonders. We'll discuss the features of the 70mm telescope, how to set it up, and what celestial objects you can observe, making stargazing accessible for everyone. The 70mm telescope is a great starting point for beginners, offering a perfect balance between quality and affordability. Its compact design and ease of use make it an ideal choice for those looking to explore the night sky without breaking the bank. With this telescope, you can observe a variety of celestial objects, from the moon's craters to distant planets and stars. Setting up the telescope is straightforward, and with a little practice, you'll be navigating the night sky like a pro. Witness the magic of stargazing as we showcase stunning visuals of celestial objects captured through the 70mm telescope, highlighting the incredible details you can see. The visuals are breathtaking, with the telescope capturing the intricate details of the moon's surface and the vibrant colors of distant planets. You'll be amazed at the level of detail that can be observed with this telescope, from the rings of Saturn to the majestic swirl of the Orion Nebula. The 70mm telescope brings the universe to life, allowing you to explore the wonders of the night sky from the comfort of your own backyard. We've explored the capabilities of the 70mm telescope and how it can enhance your stargazing adventures, making the universe more accessible than ever. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other videos on astronomy tips, and let us know your favorite stargazing experience in the comments below.